I thought that I knew everything there was to know about JLM Lubricants and their range of products. But since arriving here and spending some time in the JLM Academy, undertaking the course with Darren and his team, I am now so excited to go back home and take all this new knowledge back to my team and put it to good use.
I've been able to fully understand the JLM product in more detail. I can deliver that to my customers and my technicians in a more sensible way for them.
I have been dealing with the JLM products for some time, but even I have had to rethink a lot of things. But it's given me the opportunity now to know that with confidence I'm going to be able to talk to resellers, end users and mechanics alike.
You're effectively one-on-one with the DPF doctor, which is really useful. The training has really helped me to get a deeper understanding of how the JLM products work, why you and when you would use certain JLM products, and the wider issues surrounding DPF and diesel cars.
We definitely go back and say I'm confident in doing this now.